Minea free trial. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to show you how can you use the Minea website and how can you get simply a Minea website free trial on their official website here. Simply click on it and on the home page you will see launching winning products in 3 clicks. On the right there is a two option, sign in or free trial. Simply click on a free trial and here you will see all of the details about your free trial, that what will you get whenever you will register for a free trial of Minea. Click on the register button and continue with your Google account to sign into the Minea and then create your account on it. Now let me just create my account, and yes, you can see my account is created right now and I'm signed into the Minea official website portal. Here you can see that I have already a lot of things here on the home page. Now I have to check my subscription, that is it really legit or is it good for me. So let me just check. As you can see that I have already started my free trial on the Minea here. I can only click the Google account. Simply go to my account section on the right top of the screen, and here you can click the second option called Go Your Account Premium or Go Premium. Whenever you will click on the Go Premium option, you will be redirected to the premium feature page where you will get all of the premium and Minea paid features available during a free trial on this website. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more videos like